Hey Sarah, what are you doing this Saturday evening?
Nothing much. Probably just watching TV at home.
I found a cooking class downtown. Want to join me?
A cooking class? What kind of food?
Italian. They teach you how to make fresh pasta from scratch.
That sounds amazing. I've always wanted to learn that.
Me too. Imagine making our own fettuccine.
Is it expensive?
$30 per person. Not bad for a 3-hour class.
That's really reasonable. Count me in.
Great. I'll book 2 spots right now.
What time does it start?
6 o'clock on Saturday. We can meet at the bus stop at 5:30.
Perfect. I'll bring my apron.
Good idea. Cooking can get messy.
Do we need to bring anything else?
Just your enthusiasm and an empty stomach.
I'll skip lunch on Saturday then.
The bus is coming. Can you see it?
Yes, it's the number 22. That's ours.
The cooking school is only 4 stops away.
I'm so excited. I love Italian food.
What's your favorite Italian dish?
Definitely lasagna. My mom used to make it every Sunday.
Maybe we can learn to make that next time.
One step at a time. Let's master pasta first.
This is our stop. Let's go. Here we are. Vincenzo's kitchen.
It smells incredible in here.
Look at all the fresh ingredients on the counter. Welcome. You must be Tom and Sarah. That's us. I booked online yesterday. Perfect. Please put on your aprons and wash your hands.
This kitchen is so professional.
Today we're making fettuccine alfredo with grilled chicken. First, we make the pasta dough. 2 cups of flour on the board. Like this? Make a well in the center, then crack 3 eggs inside.
This feels like making a volcano in science class.
Science you can eat. The best kind. Now gently mix the eggs with a fork, pulling in flour slowly.
Mine is starting to look like dough.
Mine looks like a disaster. Don't worry, Tom. Keep kneading. Use your hands now. This is harder than it looks.
You're doing fine. Just put some muscle into it.
Okay, it's coming together now. 10 minutes of kneading, right? Exactly. Until it's smooth and elastic. Now we roll the dough. Pass it through the machine.
Can I try first?
Go ahead. Show me how it's done.
Just turn the handle slowly. Look at that.
It's becoming a perfect sheet of pasta. Now fold it and pass it through again. 7 times total. Why so many times? It makes the pasta silky and strong.
My arm is getting a workout.
Let me take over. Your turn to rest.
Thanks. This is really fun actually.
Better than sitting on the couch, right?
100 times better.
Now we cut the pasta. Switch to the fettuccine cutter. This is the satisfying part.
Look at those perfect ribbons.
They look just like the pasta you buy at the store.
But fresher and made with love.
Now boil water with salt. Fresh pasta only needs 2 minutes.
2 minutes? That's so fast.
While it cooks, let's make the Alfredo sauce. Butter, cream, and Parmesan cheese. Simple but perfect. Exactly. Low heat, stir constantly.
The kitchen smells like heaven right now.
Drain the pasta, save some pasta water. Now we mix everything together? Yes. Pasta into the sauce, add a splash of pasta water.
It's getting so creamy.
Look at that. Restaurant quality. Now plate it up. Add grilled chicken on top.
I'm taking a photo before we eat. This is art.
Chef Marco, thank you so much. This was incredible. You were great students. Come back for the lasagna class.
We definitely will.
Let's sit by the window and enjoy our creation.
I can't believe we made this ourselves.
The pasta is so tender. Much better than dried pasta.
And the sauce is so rich and creamy.
We should do this more often. Cook together, I mean.
Absolutely. Maybe next weekend at my place?
I'd love that. What should we make?
How about homemade pizza? I have a pizza stone.
Deal. Saturday night cooking is now a tradition.
I'm already looking forward to it.
Who knew we were such good chefs?
We had a great teacher. But also, we make a good team.
We really do. In cooking and in life.
That's sweet, Tom. Now finish your pasta before it gets cold.